Hey guys, today we will know about Igtv monetization rule. Welcome to my channel TECHNO JEUS. This is Rahul STMB with another interesting video. To protect brand reputation, there is an Instagram monetization policy in place. It is stricter than the usual content policy on the platform. There are rules pertaining to format, behavior, and categories. Type R1 specifically ban content format which cannot be used if any of these: A. Static video. B. Static image pools. C. Slideshow images. D. Continuously looping videos. E. Text montage. F. Embedded ads. Second, categories: any of the following is in an inflammatory or disclaimatory matter will be prohibited, including: A. Gender. B. Race. C. Nationality. D. Age. E. Disabilities. F. Politics. G. Sexual orientation. H. Immigration. I. Economic class. J. Religion. Third, anything disputes or discusses abuse or illegal activities is prohibited along with graphic content including sexual content or glory. Fourth, there will be a third party fact checking for content to prevent misunderstanding. Guys, if you find this video informative and useful, please subscribe my channel and press notification bell icons. TECHNO JEUS is providing information for general and education purpose only, but it might not be 100% accurate or a professional advice. Thank you. See you soon.